Hey, we got the new Tessman clamp meter. We're going to review this and go through the details. Basically, this has got a flashlight, continuity test, multiple functions. It's got non-contact voltage and a smart meter mode. So it's all digital. We're going to fire this up and show you what it looks like. Okay, so let's take a quick look at this. It's got a really nice digital display here, so you can set the different functions to whatever that you're looking for, ohms, voltage, amps, whatever that you're looking for. It's got some testers here to for continuity and different testers here. We can give this a shot. We'll plug it into a wall, see what kind of volts that we have in the wall, but it goes through, as you can see in here, it's got a ton of functionalities. The only thing I would change is the way these batteries just have a little lever here, but you're always going to have a screwdriver with you. But it comes with the AAA batteries, and then you can go ahead and use the clamp for testing wires. So it's got the tester here, and if you want to hang it also, I would say would work great for that. But I like this so far. I like the quality of it. I think it would be fall protection also. One of my favorites so far that I've tested, and I have a lot of different voltmeters. So this is a smart digital clamp meter, so it's got the clamp plus the voltmeter, AC/DC, whatever you're looking for. So I'll just give you a quick close-up of that and show you how it looks there. Let's do a quick test on it. So we plugged our probes in here, and they go into the bottom here. And then, as you can see here, you just hit your red button, and this needle will go to whatever. So that's ohms, and then if we want to go to, it's got like 10 different functions on it. So that's amps, and we're going to go to volts and check the volts on an outlet and see what that is. But it goes to 220, 120, whatever you're looking for. Okay, so we have it plugged in. We're going to turn it on, and it'll calibrate. And then the one cool thing is it's got this auto feature. If you push and hold this, it's going to go to the auto setting, and you can see we've got it plugged into an outlet here, and we're reading 120. But if you go to flip it around and you get out of that setting, you can just sit there and hold this, and then it's going to go into auto. It's going to search, and then it's going to go to volts because we're plugged into volts. So this thing is really cool. I like it a lot, and so I do like the features that it has. It's got more than what you would use normally. But if you like this, we've got a button link at the bottom to get a discounted price on this, and just click that and you can see it from there.